National People's Party menta ka jan met kala Pynlong da ka Jingialang Sngewlem hapo ka office terekam jaga parti namar ka Jingkhlad no Myntri Rangbah Barim Dr. Lapang. Dr. Lapang ula khlad no hakamit sing tho ding hakarta ka bakhandai pulai snem. Hakani ka Jingialang Sngewlem la don lang nadu National President ke NPP Konrad ke Sangma lawan bandan lang ru uba prestun tensong ubadai State President ke NPP kumju ru uba snya bhalang dhar ubadai National Working President. Kiwei ki badan lang ki kentop ya ka President jaka National People's Women Party na Khubor Nagaland ka President jaka State NPWF Congress Mary Kharpuri nalor kiwei pat kinong yalam bat ru kinong tray kam jong ka party.
Take this opportunity to first of all thank all of you for coming here in such short notice. Friends, you are all aware that last night at approximately 10:30 p.m. a great leader, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and I wouldn't be wrong in saying one of the tallest leaders that Meghalaya has produced, passed away and left us in the evening yesterday in Bethany Hospital. Late Dr. Lapang was 94 years old and has been a leader who has very actively contributed immensely to the state of Meghalaya and to the people of our state. He had joined the National People's Party a few years back and had been one of the guiding lights and leaders for the National People's Party. On a personal note, he has also worked as the chief advisor to the government. And I recall that when he was appointed the chief advisor, many people thought that we are just simply giving him a political position. But let me share with you, in spite of his age, in spite of his health condition, whenever there was a very important political situation in the state, he would be one of the first people to call me. He would be one of the first to write to me and guide me on how that situation should be addressed and give his opinion on the matter. And as I said, in spite of his age, at that point also, he truly was committed to the position and to the work and the responsibility that he was given. That is Dr. Lapang for you. We have lost a mentor, we have lost a father figure, we have lost a person who had huge experience and who had been guiding us in difficult situations and positions that we went through. As party president at the national level, I express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. On behalf of the family of the NPP, we send our deepest condolences to the family members, and we pray to Almighty that He may give strength to His family members to be able to bear the loss that they have had, to be able to move forward. We pray to Almighty that all the people who have been touched by the works, the deeds, the words of late Dr. Lapang, who will miss him today, we pray that Almighty will give strength to each and every one of them. So on behalf of the party, as I said, once again, it is a great, great loss, and we have specially called this particular condolence meeting and prayer meeting specially to pay our deepest respects to the departed soul. I also want to share with you that the government has declared 3-day mourning in respect of the departed soul. Also, at 10 a.m., there will be a prayer meeting in the residence of late Lapang, followed by a state funeral which will be given after the prayer meeting, so it could start at 12 or 1, and we will be informing everybody about the details of the location as well as the timings, and I do hope that all of you will also attend that particular funeral program and the state funeral that will be given in the honor of late Dr. Lapang.